today's video, we are going to discuss a very important topic, and that is probability. Already we have one video on probability. In that video we have learned what is the terminology of the probability. We have discussed so many terminology of the probability. In today's video we will learn the basics of the probability, how to calculate probabilities over there. So the very first we should know what is the formula for calculating probability. So probability is nothing but number of favorable event divided by total number of event. So if we are to calculate the probability of a product, anything, so for calculating probability, what we use the formula, that is number of favorable event divided by total number of event. Suppose I am tossing a coin and I want to get the probability of head and tail. So total number in coin, total number of event is head and tail 2. Okay, if I want to get the probability of head, so formula is number of favorable event divided by total number of event. So total number of event is 2 and favorable is 1. So the probability of getting head is 1 by 2. If I am to calculate the probability of getting tail, so total event is 2 and number of favorable event is 1. So for calculating probability, the formula which we will use, that is, the formula is that total number of, that is number of favorable event divided by the total number of event. Suppose we are to calculate from, if we throw a dice, what is the probability that in dice upper number will be a odd number. So as far as the dice is concerned, we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in dice total number of event is 6. If I want to calculate the probability of getting 6, so total number of event is 6 and favorable event is 1. So getting probability of getting 6, that is 1 by 6. If we want to calculate the probability of getting 5, that is also 1 by 6. If we want to calculate getting 3, that is also 1 by 6. But if we want to calculate odd number, probability of getting odd number, so total number of event is 6 and odd number is 1, 3 and 5. So number of favorable event is 3 divided by 6, that is 1 by 2. If you have to calculate even number, so here even number is 2, 4 and 6. So total even number is 6, 3 divided by total number is 6, that is 1 by 2. So for getting the probability, what we have to do? We have to divide number of favorable event divided by total number of event. If from a pack of 52 card, one card drawn at a random, what is the probability that card have the king? So for total number of event is 52 in cards and total king is 4. So probability of getting a king, so total event is 52, getting a king is 4. If we call that heart of king of heart, so in this condition only one king of heart is over there and total number is 52. If they ask that a card of diamond, so there are 13 card of diamond in a pack of 52 cards, so 52 divided 13 divided by 52. So for getting probability, what we will use formula, that is number of favorable event divided by total number of event. So if they want to score that probability of getting a red card, so red are 2, one is diamond, second one is height. So 26 is red card, a total card is 52. If they ask black card, So black card, one is spade, and second is egg. This both are black. So that is also 26 upon 50. So for getting the probability, the formula which is used, if we have given 1 to 10, 1 to 100 marks, 1 to 100 number is given. 1 to 100 number is given. What is the probability that will be divisible with 10? If they ask 1 to 100, how many numbers are divisible with 10? So total number are 100 and divisible with 10 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total favorable event is 10, total number is 100, so 1 by 10. So in this, if you have to calculate the probability, it's very easy. Suppose we selected a book of English. What is the probability? The vowel selected from a book of English, what is the probability of getting E? From a book of English, we select vowel that is A, E, I, O, U. So probability of getting E as a vowel, total number is 5 and favorable for E is 1. So the probability will be 1 by 5. So in this manner, we can calculate the probability. For getting the probability, just we have to use that formula, that is number of favorable event divided by total number of event. If we throw a dice, what is the probability that we will get number more than 2? So in dice, total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. More than 2 is this number. So probability of getting more than 2. Probability of getting more than 2. So total number of event is 6 and this is 4. So we will have it 2 by 3. So in probability, you have to go step by step. If you will go step by step, nothing is problem is over there. Easily you can calculate the probability. If we want to get from a pack of 52 cards, one card is selected as a random, what is the probability that it will be queen of diamond? So total card is 52 and queen of diamond is only one card. So we are having probability of queen of diamond, that is 1 by 52. Probability of getting a jack. So total number of jack in card is 52. Jack is 4 and total card is 52. So in this manner we can calculate the normal probability of this. One more question I should have it. What is the probability that in a leap year there will be 53 Mondays? This question so many times in examination also. The probability of getting leap year, probability of getting 53 Mondays. Okay, we have to calculate what is the probability of getting 53 Mondays in a leap year. So in a leap year, 366 days is over there, divided by 7. 7 5 ja 35, 7 2 ja 14. 52 week and 2 days. So in a leap year there are 52 weeks and 2 days. As in leap year there are 366 days. In normal year there are 355 days, 365 days, but in leap year there are 360. So I divided with this. 7 5 just 35, 7 2 just 14. So 2 is remaining. So there is, in a leap year there will be 52 week and 2 days. In 52 week there will be 52 Monday. Remaining 2 days we are to select Monday. In remaining 2 days we are to select Monday. So the very first 52 week, 52 Monday, and 2 day, these 2 days may be having Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Sunday, Monday. Again Monday, Tuesday here. So there may be total number of events is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for getting 53 Monday, total number of event is 7. In this Monday and in this also Monday is available. So number of favorable event is 2 and total number of event is 7. So we can say that in a leap year the probability of getting Monday is 2/7. So in this manner, if any questions related to the probability is over there, you can easily calculate the probability. In a bag, one bag contains 5 red ball, 5 white ball, and 5 black ball. Total 15 ball contains in a bag. The probability of getting red, total event is 15, because 5 red ball is over there, 5 white ball is over there, 5 black ball is over there. So total number of event is 15. And favorable for red is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that will be 1/3. Similarly, probability of getting black. Suppose this question change. In black also there will be 5/15. In white also there may be 5/15 each over. I am changing some question. In a box there is 5 white ball, 4 red ball and 3 black ball. Okay. Now for getting probability of getting, total number of event is 5 and 4, 9, 12. Total ball is 12. For getting white ball, probability of getting white, so total number is 12 and probability of getting white favorable event is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probability of getting a red ball, total ball is 12 and favorable red is 1, 2, 3, 4 only. And probability of getting a black ball, total number is 12 and favorable black is 3. So in this manner we can calculate the probability, that is 1/4, that is 1/3 and that is 5/12. So it's a basics of the probability. If you are to calculate the probability, how you can calculate the probability, this is discussed by us in this video. So you may now, with the help of this video, you may be now how you can calculate the probability. It's very easy, nothing is to be worried. Just you have to think what is the total number of event. The very first you should having in. And now then you have to think that what may be the number of favorable event. Suppose I have numbers that is 1 to 30. 1 to 30 number is available to me. If I want to calculate odd number, So total number is 30, so odd number will be 15. Even number is 15, odd number is 15. If I want to calculate 15, so 15 is only one number up to 30. If I want to get the probability of getting 15, so 1 to 30, only 1 15 is over there. If I want to calculate number more than 20, so there are 10 number which is more than 20, that is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So total number, favorable number is 10, that is more than 20, and the total number is 30. So in probability, very easy is over there. Just we have to think on this, what is our total number and number of favorable element what is. In this manner, if any kind of the probability is over there, with the help of these, you can calculate the probability is over there. So I think with the help of this video, you may be learn the basics of the probability, how to calculate the probability. Just we have to keep in mind that what is the number of favorable event and what is the total number of event, then easily you can calculate the probability. Thank you.